Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation 1 minus 2x over x whole to the power 4 plus 1 minus 3x over x whole cubed plus 1 minus 4x over x whole squared equal to 2. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. This 1 minus 2x over x can be written as 1 over x minus 2x over x whole to the power 4 plus this expression can be written as 1 over x minus 3 times x over x whole cubed plus this expression can be written as 1 divided by x minus 4x over x whole squared equal to 2. Now this x and this x cancelled out, this x cancelled out, and this x cancelled out, and we are left with 1 over x minus 2 whole to the power 4 plus this will become 1 over x minus 3 whole to the power 3 plus this will become 1 over x minus 4 whole squared equal to 2. Next, 1 over x minus 2 whole to the power 4 plus this expression can be written as 1 over x minus 2 minus 1 whole cubed plus this expression can be written as 1 over x minus 2 whole squared equal to 2. Now to simplify the solution, we suppose that 1 over x minus 2 equal to y. So this equation will become y to the power 4 plus y minus 1 whole cubed plus y minus 2 whole squared equal to 2. Now to expand this y minus 1 whole cubed, we use this algebraic identity a minus b whole cubed equal to a cubed minus 3 times a squared b plus 3 times a b squared minus b cubed. And to expand this y minus 2 whole squared, we use this algebraic identity a minus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this equation will become y to the power 4 plus y cubed minus 3 times y squared plus 3 times y minus 1 plus this y minus 2 whole squared will become y squared minus 4 times y plus 4. Move this 2 to the left hand side, this will become negative 2 equal to 0. Further simplify, this will become y to the power 4 plus y cubed. This negative 3y squared plus y squared will become negative 2y squared, and the 3y minus 4y will become negative y. Negative 1 plus 4, 3 minus 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation is a reciprocal equation, so we divide each term by y squared. We also divide 0 by y squared. So y to the power 4 divided by y squared will become y squared plus this will become y, and this will become negative 2, and this will become negative 1 over y, and this remains same, plus 1 over y squared equal to 0. Combine these two terms of y squared and 1 over y squared. This will become y squared plus 1 over y squared. This negative 2, negative 2. And combine these two terms of y minus 1 over y plus y minus 1 over y equal to 0. Now, by using this algebraic identity, a squared plus b squared minus 2ab equal to a minus b whole squared. This y squared plus 1 over y squared plus 2 will become y minus 1 over y whole squared plus this y minus 1 over y equal to 0. Now we suppose that let y minus 1 over y equal to t. So this equation will become t squared plus t equal to 0. Now from these two terms we can factor out t. In bracket left, t plus 1 equal to 0. Either t is equal to 0 or there is a second factor t plus 1 equal to 0. This implies that t is equal to negative 1. Since t is equal to y minus 1 over y, so this will become y minus 1 over y equal to 0, and this will become y minus 1 over y equal to negative 1. If we multiply both sides by y, this implies that y squared minus 1 equal to 0. This implies that y squared equal to 1. If we take square root of both sides, this implies that y is equal to plus minus 1. Means that y equal to 1, y equal to negative 1. And from this second case, if we multiply both sides by y, this implies that y squared minus 1 equal to negative y. Move this negative y to the left hand side, the equation will become y squared plus y minus 1 equal to 0. According to quadratic formula, y will be equal to negative 1 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. Now recall that we have supposed Recall that 1 over x minus 2 equal to y. Recall that 1 over x minus 2 equal to y. When y is 1, then this will become 1 over x minus 2 equal to 1. Move this negative 2 to the right hand side, this will become 1 over x equal to 3. If we take a reciprocal on both sides, this implies that x is equal to 1 over 3. And when y is negative 1, then 1 over x minus 2 will be equal to negative 1. This implies that 1 over x equal to 1. Taking reciprocal of both sides, this implies that x is equal to 1. Now from this case, when y is negative 1 plus minus root 5 over 2, then this will become 1 over x minus 2 equal to negative 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. Move this negative 2 to the right hand side. This will become 1 over x equal to negative 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. This negative 2 will become positive 2. Positive 2 is same as 4 over 2. And 1 over x will be equal to, we write the common denominator 2, and negative 1 plus 4 will become 3 plus minus root 5. If we take a reciprocal on both sides, this implies that x is equal to 2 divided by 3 plus minus root 5. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply and divide by 3 minus plus root 5. 3 minus plus root 5. So x will be equal to 2 times 3 minus plus root 5 divided by, this will become 3 squared minus root 5 squared, and further simplify, x will be equal to 2 times 3 minus plus root 5 divided by 3 squared is 9, and 9 minus 5 will become 4, and 2 one time, 2 two times. So we get the value of x equal to 3 minus plus root 5 divided by 2. This is third and fourth, this is first, and this is second. So we have four solutions for this equation. 1 over 3 and 3 minus plus root 5 over 2.